Hello guys. Today we're talking about technology. Let's start with the vocabulary. Laptop. Laptop. Smartphone. Smartphone. Tablet. Tablet. Console. Console. PC. PC. E-reader. E-reader. Desktop. Desktop. Headphones. Headphones. Microphone. Microphone. Okay. And these are sentences you can use to talk about how you use technology. So you can say, I write emails. I listen to music. I talk to my friends. I post on social media. I text people. I take pictures. I read the news online. I check social media. So let's practice answering these questions. Which of these items do you use, and what do you use them for? So you could say, I use a smartphone to talk to my friends. Or you could say, I use headphones to listen to music. I use a PC to read the news online. I use a tablet to write emails. Number 2, which of these items would you like to have? Why? So here you could say, I would like to have a microphone because I'm a musician and I want to record music. You could also say, I would like to have an e-reader because I like reading books. What about tablet? You could say, I would like to have a tablet because I like posting on social media. Number 3, what are the 3 most common uses of technology for you? So a good trick is to repeat the question when you're answering it. So you can say, starting here, the 3 most common uses of technology for me are writing emails, texting people, and taking pictures. So try to make that sentence on your own. I'll say it again. The 3 most common uses of technology for me are writing emails, listening to music, and taking pictures. So down here, it's a little bit of a longer question. 2 parts. Describe a device that you have and what you use it for. And how would your life be different without that device? So what you need to do is use all of these sentences. And when you see 3 dots, that means you need to add your own ideas. So I'll give you an example. I'll go first. That's a pretty difficult question. If I had to choose, I'd say my smartphone is the most important to me. I use it for many things. Mainly, I use it for texting people, taking pictures, and reading the news online. My life would be different without it because if I didn't have a smartphone, I wouldn't be able to talk to my friends. So that's an important sentence structure. If I didn't have a smartphone, I wouldn't be able to talk to my friends. If I didn't, I wouldn't be able to. All right, let's move on. Next page. I'll read a dialogue talking about technology. Okay. Do you enjoy using technology? Well, sometimes I do, and sometimes I don't. I think that technology can be frustrating. My life would be very different without my smartphone because it would be harder to communicate with friends and family. Yes, me too. If I had to choose, I'd say that my PC is the most important device for me. Why is your PC the most important device for you? My PC is the most important because I use it to write emails, read the news online, and listen to music. Is there a device that you don't have, but that you'd like to have? I think I'd like to have an e-reader because it would make it easier for me to read books while I am away from home. I'd like to have a video game console because sometimes I get bored on the weekend. I would like to play some games. That sounds great. I hope you get one soon. So that is a fairly realistic dialogue between two people talking about technology. Okay, at the bottom we have technology idioms. These idioms are related to technology and they can be used in daily life. The first one is a well-oiled machine. What does that mean? A well-oiled machine. So that just means a group of people that get along well together and work well together. It's like a good team. So you could say, our office has become a well-oiled machine. Or if you like sports, like I like basketball, I could say, in the 90s, the Chicago Bulls were a well-oiled machine. To pull the plug, the next one, to pull the plug. What does that mean? Well, to pull the plug means that you stop doing something immediately. So if you have an idea, but then you decide it's a bad idea, you don't want to do it, and you just stop. You just stop. That's pull the plug. You could say, I pulled the plug on my new business. Hold the phone. Hold the phone. Wait a moment. Hold the phone. Did you just say that you got a new job? So hold the phone just means like pause, wait, I need a break. And you say it when you are kind of surprised about something. Hold the phone. 3 tech idioms. Sorry. All right, fill in the blank. My office recently we got them because we wanted to save space. So number 1 is laptops. 2, I need to buy new to help me work on my music. Number 2 is headphones. Number 3, she is addicted to her. She spends way too much time looking at it. So number 3 is smartphone. 4, I rarely, because I prefer to read newspapers. So this is read the news online. Number 5, They don't read books anymore. They only use their e-readers. They don't read books anymore. They only use their e-readers. Number 6, I, in the morning to all my clients. That's write emails. I write emails in the morning to all my clients. Number 7, I use my camera to when I am traveling to new places. Take pictures. I use my camera to take pictures. 8, the new gaming just came out last month and people are excited. The new gaming console. And by the way, do you know the names of the most popular consoles? There's the PlayStation, Xbox, and Wii. And I think there's also a Nintendo Switch. Yeah, I don't really play video games. Okay, putting it all together, you should be able to talk at length about technology by using the sentences and vocabulary we just learned. So I will read this for you now. My life would be very different without technology. I use it for many things. If I had to choose, I'd say that my PC, my smartphone, and my e-reader are the most important devices to me. My PC is important because I use it to write emails, read the news online, and listen to music. Without my PC, I wouldn't be able to do a lot of things, including earning money. I use my smartphone to text people and take pictures. This is very important because most of my best friends and family live far away from me. Without my phone, I wouldn't be able to talk to them regularly. My e-reader is also important because it is my main source of entertainment. I read books on my e-reader every day, and it is very relaxing and interesting. Mainly, I use technology for work, communication, and entertainment. I remember a time without technology, though. When I was growing up, we didn't use computers or smartphones very much. Everything has changed in the past 2 decades, for better or worse. Okay. Can you talk about technology for 1 paragraph or half a paragraph? If you want to practice writing, please write about technology in the comments to this video. If you make any mistakes, I'll try to correct it for you. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.